Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So yesterday on the 8th of June, Microsoft announced a major update to the Windows Insider program, where Microsoft is rolling out several new preview builds and officially introducing a new build train for Windows 11 version 26H1. Now, Microsoft says the change is designed to give insider testers clearer separation between the beta and experimental development branches, while improving flexibility for users testing future Windows releases. Now, this announcement comes as Microsoft continues refining its revamped insider program structure we've been talking about as part of its K2 initiative to fix Windows 11 this year, which earlier replaced traditional dev and canary channels with the newer beta and experimental channels. Now, one of the biggest changes is the introduction of separate build number ranges for Windows 11 version 26H1. So you've got the experimental 26H1 devices will receive builds in the 28,100 series, and then the beta 26H1 devices will receive builds in the 28,000 series. Now, according to Microsoft, this move allows Windows insiders testing 26H1 to choose between beta and experimental experiences while maintaining distinct development branches. Now, Microsoft says that insiders can switch between the beta 26H1 and the experimental 26H1 channels by going to your settings, Windows Update, Windows Insider Program, and selecting the relevant experience. And just take note, this switch does not require a clean reinstall of Windows and is handled as an in-place upgrade according to Microsoft, which I do think is a nice move. Now, just a quick recap. Windows 11 version 26H1, as I've mentioned previously, is a specialized release that focuses primarily on platform-level changes and support for upcoming hardware, including devices powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon X2 series processors. And unlike Microsoft's annual feature updates, as I've mentioned previously, 26H1 is not intended as a major consumer-facing feature release. And in regards to this, Microsoft does continue to recommend that most Windows insiders remain on the default Windows Core version, unless obviously they specifically need to test 26H1 related platform updates. So the long and the short of it is 26H1 isn't made available to your so-called normal devices. It's for your devices powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon X2 series processors, as an example. So basically Copilot plus PCs. So interesting that Microsoft is now rolling out a new build number series for Windows 11 version 26H1. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.